Hi there, traders. This is Brad Gilbert with today's trading action. Now, just focusing on the major currencies, you can see the dollar index. There's a bit of room here just to drift down towards this trend line. You know what? And you don't really need too much to be going on to get that dollar to drift lower. You can see the dollar Swiss, dollar yen. They're sort of running out of steam. They want to go down. I think there's room for a bit of a long squeeze to the downside. But to me, the best trading opportunities today definitely euro, right? We've got euro at a key sort of technical level here, short term, and really only focusing on the short term perspective at this point. Dollar CAD also to the downside. I know it's a little bit oversold, but oil heading back towards $80 a barrel. It's going to put downward pressure on dollar CAD, and with the dollar just drifting, it may really come into play. Right. And where we might see this sort of actually happen, instead of spending several hours in front of the screens waiting for some sort of move, well, we've got Aussie retail sales figures out, today as well. I don't think this is going to be much of an opportunity unless there's significant variance in the numbers. The Aussie's in mid-range, and it's more following the other pairs. What will be where it might come is the US consumer confidence numbers and the Case-Shiller numbers there as well, right? During that North American session. Any sort of weakness in those numbers, I mean, the dollar is so sensitive to stronger and weaker numbers, but the downside for the dollar, once again, looks like it's in play, and that would work very nicely with a topside move through resistance here in euro, right? It's primed. All we need is a little bit of a push. We just need the market, everyone who's trading, to focus on, hang on, we've got stronger or weaker numbers here in the US, and that will trigger everyone to get into those other positions. And that's when you are moving with the market. All right. So not a lot just happening here in the Asia session. I can't see too much going on just for the moment until we get those Aussie retail sales figures out. But you know what? It's not going to be anything significant. The Aussie is a bit of a mixed bag here on with various pairs. Okay, if you get stronger numbers, make sure you're trading the pairs that are already going up, and weaker numbers, the ones that are going down, right? That's the easiest direction. And that's pretty much it today. We've got more, really trading starts Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. That's when the key sort of momentum indicators will be coming out. All right, guys, have a good one. All the best. Cheerio.